This is my driveway coming off the township road. Winter of 96, 97, before the big flood. I had to have Storbakken come out with his big payloader. It was like $600 a shot. And then the wind would blow it in. This is the first turn. I bought this house with this big long driveway, never thinking about the winter. So I got an easement from a neighbor, and I made the driveway about way shorter. All I had to clean it was with an 801 Power Master with a pull behind Erskine snowblower. That was like shooting spitwads at a battleship. Here's a second turn. These things are like 10, 12 feet high. And the last turn, that's right where I go out to the township road there, it's about 300 feet. So I really cut off a lot. And as you can see, the mountains here are higher than the garage. And of course we had the flood after this, so we didn't get flooded out here, but